good advice. You should always do this kind of development in a little team. In our case, I think we both plan to have a little team. I asked two of my former PhD students, one of them is professor in data science and the other is a lecturer in this area, to help me. But it turned out that in the end they say, no, we have no time. This is not a priority. So in the end, I did everything myself. So first of all, it's a lot of work. On the other hand, it's also tough to do this kind of things yourself. It's much easier if you have somebody to discuss with. So probably a recommendation is not develop the course yourself, but preferably in a small group of people. Okay, and already said, it is of course on the master's level, and you know, in Sweden, a student on this level is 23 to 24 years of age, probably in India, a little younger in India, actually. And another little stupid thing here, I talk about my errors mostly. So we were asked to make courses and we said yes. And then just afterwards, when we had said yes, I mean much longer, we asked, what's the format of the course? And then we said, yeah, it's an 8-week course with 40 lectures, 25 hours and so on. Okay. And so probably good advice, because there are also smaller MPTEL courses, shorter MPTEL courses, I know. So probably it's a good idea to start with a smaller course, not to be overwhelmed with the initial but we were stupid not to ask the question, actually. Okay, let's continue. So, yeah, this is just a conceptual network of the course. So this is a very comprehensive course. It covers, I would say, most of machine learning in a certain sequence, and it even included some attempt to give an overview of key applications and tools and languages and so on. So, as I said, a large number of students enroll, many of them probably without understanding what it really takes to fulfill it, because not maybe because they're not good students, because they are on their own. The first weeks, 5 weeks, I tried to contact, I got some statistics on that. It seemed that around 5,000 students really started the course, maybe for the first half of the course, with a pretty reasonable success rate for the assignments. But then, in the end, 2,200 students registered for the exam, because then in MPTEL you have to pay something. So it's a little more crisp that you really want to fulfill. But obviously not even those who paid managed to come to the examination site. The 1,600 were really sitting there in the room, and around 1,300 passed. So that was the. But I mean, what is very intimidating now, of course, to think about that. The first week of the course, you have in the order of 5,000 students to really follow your material. And of course, every mistake you make, and I mean, I have more or less the same commentaries already. Every mistake you make costs students a lot of trouble. And indirectly, me also indirectly sometimes a lot of trouble. So preferably, everything should be absolutely correct. But unfortunately, it's very difficult to guarantee that you have that level of precision. So also, I would say, to be fair here, you asked the question, how long, much time? I think MPTEL have very clear rules of the game, saying that you should start development early. First of all, you should never, ever develop a course in MPTEL that is not been running 3 times in exactly the form you want it in the co-location setup. That's what they say in the instruction. So this means that what they say is that that part of the work should be done already. So it's supposed to be only the transformation to a form that fits the medium think I was the worst student here in this process. Randy wasn't better, but we put a lot of students in compiling the course, also content ones, actually, which of course makes it difficult to assess. I don't think it's really fair for Intel to say that the time we spend is really mirrors what it should be. So if one wants to make a fair judgment, one should say, let's make a little pilot here, take a person who really follows the instructions, and then get a fair judgment. But anyway, because of the time constraints, because we had very little time to do it, I mean, I did everything in the simplest way possible. So my videos were simply monologue presentations. This is not what I think is the best. It's not what I really want. It was what it became because of the time constraints. I also recorded everything myself at home in my private house. I didn't even go to the office because I didn't want to be disturbed and lose time. So I was sitting home with my own laptop and with the Camtasia tool. I'm nothing against Camtasia. I think it's a great tool. However, I would say I would leverage to look at the quality. If one has time and resources to do it studio-wise, it's preferable. But also because of the time constraint, it was unrealistic for me. Final exam, yeah, already with respect to the assignments, Randy already said that was a big task. Because I was told my exam had to be auto-gradable, which made sense because of the large number of students. Also then in MPTEL, most naturally you have multiple choice questions. You can add more open questions, but it turns out that it's not totally trivial if you do that, because open text answers can have many interpretations, and every time I try to do that I got problems. So in the end I switched to only multiple choice. But then of course for a machine learning course it had to be problem oriented. I mean, that's what you do when you do in class. But in the beginning of this course, because I really want, for me, multiple choice is coupled to just facts, not a problem solving. So I was totally unaccustomed to formulate problem-oriented multiple choice questions. And I can tell you a little anecdote. So the anecdote is that in the end of the course, I got comments from students, and one student wasn't even very constructive, a lot of constructive comments. One of them was that I felt fooled by the course, because in the first weeks I got the impression through the lectures and the assignments that this was just a factual course. A lot of general information about what machine learning is, and then factual questions. But then suddenly, week 3, 4, 5, increasingly, it turned out that most of the assignments become problem-solving oriented. And that was not a plan. It was just that I had learned after a few weeks to design multiple choice questions or problem solving. So let's say 5 week number 6, almost all assignments were of that kind. So I said to him, you're completely correct. This is not a good thing. I don't like to fool anybody, but it just happened. So I think consistency here, consistency is always important for all kind of courses, even the on-campus ones. But consistency becomes even more important for the online, because there are so huge numbers of students who get the effects if you are inconsistent. And there are many kinds of consistencies that you need. You have to be consistent over the weeks with respect to the character of the course. Also, I think you have to be consistent with respect to the difficulty of the course. So it's not really a great thing if the 2 weeks are very simple, and then suddenly the 3rd week is super complex, difficult. So these are issues. Also, you have to be very consistent between the way you do the problem solving on the lectures, the way you design the assignments in the weeks, and the way you devise your tasks in the final exam. Also, these exams are pretty large. So in both our cases, we were asked to do 2 exams with 100 marks each, which was in average like 30 task items, or whatever you call them. 30 items with an average 3 marks on each. And we had to do 2 copies because the examination systems work so that you have morning and afternoon. So you have to provide 2 copies. So altogether, I constructed 60 items, so that was non-trivial. Then also NPTEL has a system with not only pass and fail, but they have something they call elite, silver, gold. And it turns out that obviously now the students have understood that this exists and it's important for them. So some students really want to have gold on everything. Some students really want to be best. So and at least they want to be elite. And this means that when you design the exam, it must be fair judgment, not only how difficult it should be to pass, but also how difficult it be to reach elite and reach goal. So therefore, I think this item analysis that you refer to in the morning is very, very important. So this means that if I repeat this course next year, I feel now I have to go through every single task I did and analyze it through these tools that is available, where you can see what effect each of your questions had on the overall performance in order to create some fair assessment scheme. So these were a few things. I mean, I think Rajiv said a lot of things, and most of our experiences are the same. All in all, it was a nice experience. Afterwards, it wasn't nice when I had 2 months to do this. But afterwards, I find it a nice experience, and I think also that it's much easier, of course, to revise a course. So if you have a basic version of the course, even if it has many flaws, it's a much smaller investment to revise it, to make it better. Just a comment with the theme for the day. I think for this course, I think there are so many improvements I could easily see in the direction I pointed at this morning. I mean, to create more interactivity. I mean, there are so many parts here that you can make better by interactive parts. So many low-hanging fruits in that area, as I can see for this course. Any questions? I think our experience were very much the same. Yes.
So please say what are great questions? Is it always multiple choice questions?
No. Actually, they have a facility in MPTEL because this is how they do it. So where you can ask for an text as an answer. And that's going to work out really too. The only problem, it turned out that in many cases, there are many variants of answers. And the system obviously is not good enough to handle as it is all these interpretations. So this meant that you could have hypothetics. Another method that is not there is this drag and drop method, which you have in Moodle. Actually. So drag and drop is pretty nice, especially for this kind of problems where you can formulate tasks which are of configuration character. Because then you can say, if the correct answer is a correct placement of certain items in the structure. So that would be a pretty nice addition, suitable for this kind of courses, I think. But of course, you would like to see more flexibility in formulating tasks that still could be auto-graded. So it's not theoretically bound to not have a choice. It's more of a practical matter to expand the possibilities. Okay, thank you.
Now I request Professor Sham from the University to share his experiences on virtual learning